I have been deprived of my own right, fundamental
What
right.
is your what is difficulty being faced by you? Please tell us. We'll see that it is being given. If what is your problem now? Please tell us. Apart
Actually,
from this order, we'll direct them to do it.
Uh,
Yes. What is your difficulty now?
Sir, actually, I have a very small house,
Yes.
which is I have allotted by this RDA.
Yes.
I'm
यस ये क्या सा ऑर्डर पास किया एसडीओ ने? हमको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या? उसने इस इशू को टच ही नहीं किया. हमने पूरा पढ़ लिया उसका ऑर्डर. कहीं नहीं टच किया, उस इशू को टच ही नहीं किया. और डिस्पाइट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट उनकी इतनी हिम्मत हो रही सब डिविजनल ऑफिसर की. बुलाइए भाई अब तो उनको.
and even while coming, sir, there is a hurdle for me. People, they used to attack. They attempt attack also.
जी रुको, हम लिखवा देते इसमें. दी सब दी कंसर्निंग पुलिस क्या ऑर्डर है? क्या कंप्लेंट?
Honorable Justice, sir, I may kindly be allowed to submit my this written submission.
Yes. What was the order?
Was given liberty, my lord, to move an application under section 133 of the CRPC. The respondents shall consider and decide the same. My lord. The proceeding was registered and it was after hearing both the parties and after considering the report of the concerned revenue authorities. My lord, the final order has already been passed on 10/5/20 on 6/4/2023. So proceedings under section 133 has already been concluded. I have filed, my lord, the entire order sheet as well as, my lord, the final order annexure R12.
What was the order passed by Mr. Ghoshal by this court?
Page number 6 onwards.
Should I have to go for the entire one or lastly?
Last. Paragraph 13 से पढ़ लीजिए.
There is a provision under section 133 of the Code of Civil Procedure that the district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate, any other executive magistrate specially empowered, which may on application by concerned party shall, after taking such evidence, if necessary, pass order for removal or obstruction, removal of obstructions of nuisance, etc. Hence, the grievance of the petitioner can be redressed on filing and any such application before this concerned authority. Respondent number 4, the collector and district magistrate in the authority who can make such inquiry and pass appropriate orders in necessary. After considering on all the aspects present of this case, this petition is disposed of. The petitioner is granted liberty to file application under section 133 of CRPC before the respondent number 4 within a period of 30 days from today. On filing on such application, the respondent number 4 shall either himself or any deputing any officer below him conduct an inquiry against the complaint of the petitioner and, if necessary, pass an order for such respondent number 4 or the officer empowered to pass under section 133 of the Code of Civil Criminal Procedure with a limited time of 120 days.
Yes. Now, you have moved an application?
Sir?
You have moved an application before the concerning officer?
Sir, I have already submitted.
Then what happened?
Within that period which has to be ordered by this honorable court, that 120 days, they have to act on that. But no, it has not been happened.
When the order has been passed? Is it in your favor or against you?
Which one, sir?
The order has been passed against you,
No,
in your favor.
my favor, because
No,
Sir.
the concerning officer, the sub-divisional officer has passed the order in your favor or against you?
It is not the case, sir. This my remedy I am asking.
Yeah, I understood your case, Mr. Rao.
Ah.
Yes, Mr. Pali.
My lord, that application has been rejected.
No, when it has been passed?
My lord, it was passed on 6/4/2023.
After how much years? Why the delay has been adopted? What is your explanation? The order was passed on 19/3/2022. All right.
My lord,
And after 1 year you have passed the order, whereas as per the order 120 days. So his grievances is it has not been passed within the stipulated time period. What is your explanation?
my lord, unconditional apology has been tendered by the number.
Will
one
direct
collector.
it to be recorded in the service book?
My lord, the collector
Yes.
has, my lord, the honorable. I'm
No.
appealing for respondent number 1.
Yes, will direct that has to be recorded in the service book of the officers.
Well,
If they are violating the court order so frankly, so easily and so comfortably, हमको ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट का डायरेक्शन आता है कि 2 महीने से 3 दिन पहले केस सुन के रिजर्व कर लेते हम. ये जुडिशियल डिसिप्लिन तो हम नहीं टॉलरेट करेंगे भाई. They have to pay penalty for it.
My lord, the respondent number 1 collector has deputed, my lord, the sub-divisional officer who is
All
also
right.
empowered.
Why he
Now,
has not complied with the order within the stipulated time period of the court? Why? You must understand, otherwise the people have lost faith on the order passed by these courts. The bureaucrats are so taking these things so lightly. When they have, all right, we'll impose some cost on them for delay. Yes,
my lord,
the cost will pay to the.
मतलब रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 2 का सेपरेट रिप्लाई है, उसमें उन्होंने लिखा है कि कई बार ये स्वयं अनुपस्थित थे.
Sir, this information, whatever he is telling, it is wrong, because due to that only I have bring this written submission. Everything is in detail mentioned here.
What was देखिए मिस्टर पाली,
My lord,
आप अपने क्लाइंट को बोले ज्यादा स्मार्ट ना बनने,
my lord,
नहीं तो सर्विस बुक में एंट्री का डायरेक्शन दे दूंगा मैं.
एक अपॉर्चुनिटी एक एफिडेविट फाइल कर देते.
It is admitted fact that you have not complied with the order.
My lord, within stipulated time.
Yes, it is an admitted fact.
My lord,
Now you are saying that on some hearing he was not present.
my lord,
All right.
my lord, respondent number 2.
It is not true.
Counsel is there.
Separate. Who is the counsel for the two?
Mr. Vakar Nayyar.
He is not there. How shall we can wait for him? No, we are not going to wait for anybody. We'll observe everything in the order. Don't worry. The litigants have lost faith on the system. If we will not see that the order is being given to its letter and spirit, this highness of the bureaucrats is never appreciated by this court. अब भाई 2-4 महीना लेट होता चल जाता, अब 9 महीना लेट कर रहे हैं और बड़े कॉन्फिडेंट से बता रहे हैं कि सब हमने डिस्पोज ऑफ कर दिया है.
Apologies, my lord. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Vakar Nair, he'll be available in second half. It may kindly be taken in second half. He'll give all the submission regarding that. My lord.
Mr. Why he has not appeared today?
My lord, he is at the other court, my lord.
I think for him this is not a court.
Certainly not.
All right, I think this is not a court. All right.
My lord, not high court.
No.
I am
This is not
submitting-
court. Let him realize that I am not the court.
My lord,
Now I will show how this court will act. Please
certainly
wait for me.
that is not my submission, my lord.
Mr. Never repeat this submission before this court.
My lord,
I am the last man to tolerate in discipline behavior.
I apologize.
Do you think I am subordinate to any court?
My lord. I apologize, my lord.
I don't appreciate the manner the young lawyers are making submission before this court.
Sincerely apologize.
You should know how you are addressing to the court. Don't say any word which touches the sentiment of the court. I don't appreciate the manner in which the people are addressing to the court. I am not subordinate to anybody.
My lord. Apologize.
Yes, Mr. Why the order has been delayed?
My lord, one opportunity may be granted, my lord, to submit an affidavit explaining, my lord, with respect to the delay part, my lord.
बुलवा लो भाई उन्होंने, बुलवा लो, हम उन्हीं से पूछेंगे क्यों डिले किया, क्यों she has delayed the orders. ये पटवारी और थाना प्रभारी का रिपोर्ट क्यों नहीं आता टाइम पे? इसको बोलने के बाद पटवारी वगैरह सबको बुलाओ, पार्टी आप सबको बुलाओ। अगर एसडीओ के ऑर्डर को पटवारी और थानेदार नहीं मान रहा है तो क्या मतलब है ऐसे लोगों को नौकरी करने का? और आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है घोषाल साहब, क्या तकलीफ है आपको?
Regarding what, sir?
What is your problem now? If the order has been passed,
Sir, I will be very happy because I am suffering since so many years and I am a senior citizen and I am aging 77 years.
so what?
That I was following all the rules and regulations of this nation and I have been deprived of my own right, fundamental
What
right.
is what is difficulty being faced by you? Please tell us. We'll see that it is being given. If what is your problem now? Please tell us. Apart
Actually,
from this order, we'll direct them to do it.
Huh.
Yes. What is your difficulty now?
Sir, actually, I have a very small house,
Yes.
which is I have allotted by this RDA.
Yes.
I made a small house. I'm staying over there.
Yes.
And exactly backside, 3 big plots
Huh?
were allotted for the residential purpose.
Yes.
But this residential purpose, they were using a commercial building. And they are doing all the businesses over there.
Yes.
And lots of truck, day and night it is coming over there for shifting their material, everything. And that too also not from this state. It is coming from different states. And very big, so much sound, so much pollution, everything is there.
Is it a residential purpose or place or commercial place?
Sir, it is residential.
Then how the commercial
Purely.
activities have been carried out, bhai? What order has been passed by the sub-divisional officer? Whether it's a commercial purpose or either a commercial place or subdivision is a non-commercial area, please file the notification. What is whether this area has been notified as residential or non-commercial? What is the notification issued by the corporation in this regard? Tell us. Yes, ये क्या सा ऑर्डर पास किया एसडीओ ने? हमको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या? उसने इस इशू को टच ही नहीं किया, हमने पूरा पढ़ लिया उसका ऑर्डर, कहीं नहीं टच किया, उस इशू को टच ही नहीं किया। कहीं नहीं टच किया उसने। पब्लिक न्यूज की क्या परिभाषा आती है, उसने ये तक नहीं देखा है कि सब डिविजनल ऑफिसर ने कि ये एरिया कमर्शियल है कि नॉन कमर्शियल है। और डिस्पाइट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट उनकी इतनी हिम्मत हो रही सब डिविजनल ऑफिसर की, बुलाइए भाई अब तो उनको, कॉल देम ऑन 4th January। The condemned number 2 shall remain present to explain how she has passed the order, as the order does not reflect whether the house in question is a commercial place or residential place, and no document, no material has ever been discussed in the order that shows the non-application of mind by respondent number 2. Listed on 4th January. On 4th January, the sub-divisional officer who has passed the order shall remain present for this court.
Sir, should I have to?
Not required.
My apologies, my lord.
All right, all right. Mister, don't defeat these things.
I'm
I tell
sorry.
you. 4 January will be
My lord.
Yes.
Sir, I may be given some.
If you want to make submission through Raipur
4
also,
जनवरी 4 जनवरी को रखा है
4 January.
So kind of you.
आप वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग से वहां से हमसे
Sir, no, sir, I will come.
All right, no problem.
Because I don't have this, I am not maintaining any, this smartphone or anything.
All right. Even हमारा DLS है रायपुर में, you can take facility from the district court also. We
Sir,
have,
I will come, sir. On
all
fourth
right,
I
no
will
problem.
come.
We have set up everything for everybody. You can take, you can utilize these facilities also.
And even while coming, sir, there is a hurdle for me. People, they used to attack, they attempt, attack also.
रुको, हम लिखवा देते हैं इसमें. The sub, the concerning police.
I have reviewed.
All right, all right. The concerning police station in charge is directed to see that the petitioner in person is protected and no untoward incident be taken place with him. A copy of the order be also forwarded to the Superintendent of Police Raipur along with the copy of the order is forwarded to the station house of. कहाँ पे है आपका घर? देवेंद्र नगर.
Sir, Devendra Nagar,
Station,
GH, Sector 4.
station in charge Devendra Nagar is also directed to comply the direction given by this court. देख लीजिए. So, Mr. Ask the SP. Copy be given to SP. Who is SP now?
सर प्रशांत अग्रवाल
He has to be scented now.
पासवर्ड केस नंबर 18